Better head back to Luigi.
I think I might take my shining star out on a date tonight. Here goes nothing.
No, you should let me date some of your ex-boyfriends. Adlez, love isn't always about getting what you want. Somebody's at the door! I'll get it.
Hey Zelda, I was wondering, do you want to have a dinner with me tonight at a romantic restaurant?
Sure, Luigi. I always loved romantic restaurants.
Who's that girl behind you?
That's my sister, Adlez. You are so charming, pure green guy.
Charming? Thanks I guess. Adlez.
What time should we meet?
7:30.
See you there. I need to go too, maybe.
Mario, I'm going out on a date with Zelda.
Wow, that's very nice. Have a good time.
You're welcome to ask Peach out to that same place.
Peach has too much to do with the royalties. Although a double date would be fantastic.
Well, it's almost time. I can't go to the restaurant like this.
There are suits and ties in your closet.
I'll know. I'll see what best fits me. Come with me, Mario.
Nope. No way.
All I got left to wear is this.
That's perfect. I love that.
Oh, I think that's him. Wow, Luigi. I love your outfit. Looks so handsome.
Thanks, Zelda. You look beautiful too.
What are we waiting for? Let's go. I wonder where they're going. So our last date got ruined because your monster, correct me if I'm wrong, his name is Bowser, kidnapped you.
Yep, it was Bowser.
Sorry, but I need to use the bathroom.
Take your time.
Hello, pure green guy.
Hi, if you don't mind, I'm on a date with your sister right now.
Can we at least talk?
Fine, but make it fast.
Did I tell you your mustache is so soft?
Gee. Thanks.
Your eyes are so large and sparkly.
Adlez, I am not dating you.
Better head back to Luigi. What? Luigi's dating my sister? I thought I was his date. How could he cheat on me? I'm out of here. Dear Luigi, if you are reading this email, I am breaking up with you. I caught you cheating on me. I saw you and my sister sitting together and her touching you. So don't ever ask me on any other date again. Sincerely, Zelda.
I got an email from Zelda. What? She's breaking up with me? How could this be? I better make things right.
Where are you going?
To Zelda's house.
Zelda told me not to let you go to her house anymore.
This is going to be harder than I thought. Will Zelda and I make up? Vote yes or no in the comments. And click the like button if you want there to be a part 2.